You got your best lap on that last one.
Yeah,
Didn't you?
48.2 or something like that.
Mine's 44.9 is quickest I did so far.
For real?
Huh?
God damn, that's fast, bro.
I run the fuck out of it though. So
Like I don't know. It's not me as a driver. I push my car to the max. That's as fast as it can go.
You'll see. I'm pushing it to.
I got shit tires, everything.
I'm pushing it to 7 grand. So.
Yeah. Yeah, I hit mine on the rev limiter too, for sure. Man, the Stealth twin turbo. All-wheel drive. See, you could be way faster. You driving it too hard.
I know.
44 though.
That's fastest so far. Faster than the 44.9.